Here's a fuller, up to date picture of the Pony.ai plus Toyota Robotaxi news. How this fits into the broader autonomous vehicle and EV robotaxi race, what the technology and strategy actually involve, and why it matters. The big announcement: first mass produced robotaxi is rolling off the production line. Pony.ai and Toyota, with GAC Toyota, have completed the first mass produced electric robotaxi based on Toyota's BZ4X EV platform, and it's officially rolling off the production line in China. This isn't just a prototype or pilot fleet anymore. It marks the beginning of scaled production and commercial rollout of Level 4 autonomous EV robotaxis, starting in Tier 1 Chinese cities. What's special about this robotaxi? Vehicle platform: Toyota's BZ4X EV, adapted for robotaxi use. Autonomy: Pony.ai's Gen 7 autonomous driving system, fully automotive grade components with improved safety and cost efficiency. Cost reduction: autonomous system hardware cost reportedly reduced by 70% versus prior generations, making large scale deployment more economically viable. Passenger features: Bluetooth automatic unlocking, voice interaction, online music, pre trip climate control, plus smoother acceleration and braking to reduce motion sickness. Production and deployment plans. The partners aren't stopping at one vehicle. 1,000 BZ4X robotaxis planned in 2026, with commercial service expected across major Chinese cities. Pony.ai's goal is to expand its robotaxi fleet to over 3,000 vehicles by the end of 2026, scaling far beyond early pilot numbers. This kind of volume moves Pony.ai into a different phase, from small fleets and trials to genuine mass production and operation. A deepening Toyota Pony.ai partnership. Toyota has had a long standing involvement with Pony.ai. Toyota was an early investor, including a reported 400 million strategic investment and continued technology collaboration. The joint effort with GAC Toyota created a vehicle production ecosystem tailored for autonomous robotaxis, using Toyota's manufacturing expertise and Pony.ai's AI stack. Today's rollout reflects years of shared R&D, manufacturing planning, and product iteration. Why this matters? The robotaxi race is heating up. The Pony.ai Toyota move isn't happening in isolation. It's part of an intensifying global battle over autonomous EVs and robotaxis. Battery: Tesla opened unsupervised robotaxi rides in Austin and aims for another 1,000 robotaxis on the road by the end of 2026, and could win full self driving approval in China soon. Taxi: Baidu Apollo Go claimed 250,000 weekly driverless robotaxi rides in multiple Chinese cities. Car: WeRide and Xpeng also pushing large deployments and integration with platforms like WeChat. All of these efforts are vying for dominance in the next era of driverless electric mobility. Strategic and market implications. Here's what this development could signal for the industry: lower deployment costs. The dramatic reduction in autonomous system hardware costs is critical. Previously, high sensor and compute costs were a major barrier to large scale robotaxi fleets. Now, that barrier is coming down. Commercial viability. Robotaxi companies have long struggled to prove real unit economics at scale. With production volumes rising and costs decreasing, Pony.ai and Toyota are aiming for a scale driven economic model where adding more units drives profitability. Strategic positioning in China. China has become a global focal point for robotaxi deployment because of supportive regulations, deep urban population centers, and strong tech investment. Pony.ai's deep integration into these markets positions it as a serious contender. Context for Pony.ai's broader progress. Beyond the Toyota partnership, Pony.ai has secured robotaxi operating licenses in cities like Guangzhou, Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, expanded global partnerships and testing, including moves toward Dubai, Europe, and other regions, reported revenue growth and significant investments in Gen 7 robotaxi R&D. Bottom line, Pony.ai plus Toyota putting a mass produced robotaxi on the road is a major milestone, not just for them, but for the global autonomous EV mobility race. This move brings robotaxis closer to real world scale, with implications for ride hailing, transportation economics, and competition among EV and autonomous tech leaders.
So the stock is up 4.09%. This is Monday, the 9th of February 2026. Quite a high beta stock as well. Okay, let's see what we have. This is its 5 minute chart. Let's just quickly see what's going on its daily chart. Okay, the stock has been showing a decent amount of strength within. Yeah, okay, no, that's. Yeah, this Pony.ai. Yes, that's the stock we're looking at right now. Why did I think it was showing a lot of strength? Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is. It's been showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. The trend, the 200-day moving average underscores its underlying trend, and as you can see here, it's trending bullish. It's trending bullishly upward. So it's showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. So this is its second straight session of gains, and there are no extrapolations. Okay, projections are currently saying 190, sorry, 19.34, 20.93, 21.91. Okay, let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating for its 10-day moving average. Yeah, as things stand right now, positions opened 10 days ago are still not in profit at the moment. They're still not in profit at the moment. Let's just quickly glance at its the price pressure momentum of its 21-day moving average. Okay, as well, the ones opened 21 days ago are equally not in profit yet. Well, we still have, if it continues to show the strength, obviously they will get into profit. But now those positions are still underwater. Okay, let's just see what the market grid is going to give us here on the 4 hour chart. I don't think it's going to give us anything. No, it's not. Okay, we'll just, I even doubt if the 1 hour chart is going to give us, because I don't think so. We want the price. You can see this week here. It's sticking outside of the grid, outside of the grid. We want it right inside of the grid. Right now, it's just telling us it has surpassed the grid. There's a chance that it might pull back and those sort of things, and also there's a chance it might continue to print higher prices. But it's not. We want it to right. We want it right inside the grid. So 15-minute chart is it going to give us anything? Yes. Okay, we have something here. Let's see what it has printed any intraday high. No intraday high yet. Okay, let's see what we have. We have between 15.17 and 14.58, and it's currently at 15.03. So it is right in the resistance zone. So based on this 15-minute chart, profit taking might occur. Profit taking might occur as well, and at the same time, it may also continue to advance. Returning to the 4 hour chart, where I think we have an extrapolation here. On this 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that this strength might remain in place up to the end of today's trading session. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a contraction. Yeah, that might remain in place up till Wednesday the 18th. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. The stock is trading way outside of its market grid so far, because this gain is started to print is still fresh, so the market grid hasn't reacted yet. But it has a decent amount of supports. if it pulls back a decent amount of support. Yeah, all the way down to 14.03. Yeah, so if it does pull back, there's a chance we might get a bounce as things stand right now. Yeah. Okay, just see what you make of Pony stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.